Hello. Welcome back to my channel with Lupita at Lupita's Life Journey. Welcome back. Today I am going to be organizing my office space and I want to share that with you guys. And if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, hey, you're going to find all kinds of videos here. So it's going to be in like all kind of content channel. And hey, if you like it at the end, please give us a like. I am going to start by showing you guys the before and then of course the after, so enjoy it. I hope you like it and I'll see you later. right, so I am done picking up most of the things, you guys. I'm gonna show you guys how it ended up looking. So here we go. I hope you guys like it. I'm gonna start from the from the entrance of the room. So here we go. Okay, so like you guys know, I do have my bed, or I do have my office in my bedroom. So bed is done. When I was cleaning my office area, my son was still sleeping. That's why I didn't show that at the beginning. And this is still, I did not touch any of that. My daughter is always coming in here and getting some makeup. She is actually trying to learn how to do her own makeup, so she does like to mess around with my stuff. And then I have my light here, which I literally just brought out like 2 days ago because I was doing the pictures for my stickers. By the way, go to my shop and check them out. I do planner stickers for Erin Condren, Happy Planner, and plum paper. So if you're interested on that, I'll leave my link down below. And so here it is. I am not done here. I'm supposed to put some shelves up there. I haven't had the time to do that, and when I've had the time, I haven't had the tool that it's to make sure that it's straight, because I don't want to have them all crooked. And then so these are some of the things that are going to go back on the shelf, so that's why I have them all down here. And then I found this that I had gotten like a year ago or so. This is from Erin Condren. That little canvas is my son's. He made it in school and he gave it to me as Mother's Day present. And then I have part of my vinyl there, which I am trying to find a way of how to have it store or available. Probably hanging it somewhere right there. I don't know yet. Of course, I have to have hand sanitizer on hand. I have my Cricut in this table. These are stickers that I made for June that never were put up on the shop. So yeah, I was going through a lot around this time and I just didn't make the time for that. And then I still have a lot of the Hello Kitty scrapbook paper for envelopes. And back here, a while ago, I decided to learn how to do screen printing t-shirts, which I haven't got my hands on. I haven't even tried it. And that frame right there is for my vision board. I'm going to do a vision board because the one I have is from last year. So it's time I go ahead and do an updated one. And then down here, I have, those are for the shelves, so those are going to go back on the wall. These are little mirrors that I have. I might put them in the bathroom. I still don't know. That's my daughter's, but I don't know who brought it here. And then here is like papers that I have, notebooks and all that stuff. And then what else is back here? I have all the binders that it's been on hold. I haven't done any promotion in these or marketing or anything, but I'll get to that. And then I have my scale. These are some of the things that are gonna go up on the shelves, like my scale, and that has shipping bags for shirts. And then of course these are for the shirts too. So some of this stuff is gonna go back on the shelf. And then I have on this side, here's a little family picture of all my siblings, and that was back in Christmas. And then I have our bingo for my video, and then my dice. And here we go, I have my portrait too, which is my favorite. I'm still fighting with that one. I gave up. I went back on it. I'm using the same settings as I use here. It's just doing a horrible job. It's not cutting straight, it's cutting outside of the, for example, it will cut outside of the lines. Either it will cut higher or down where you can see the white once you peel out the sticker, which I don't like that at all. I've tried different videos to see how I can fix it. I literally put a whole day into it. I gave up. I don't know. My sister has one too. She's having a horrible time with it. I don't know if it's just me that from the beginning when I saw the box, because when I bought this one, I ordered a portrait 2 and I was sent a 3. As soon as I saw the box, I was like, oh no, I'm gonna have trouble with this. So I'm thinking that I brought it up to myself, because I had already put in my mind that I was gonna have a hard time with it, and it's exactly what it's happening. So I have all my Cricut tools here. This is not part of it, but it's still there. And then I have some of my freebies in that box, and these are my 100 envelope little case that was given by one of you guys. Thank you. Pam. It was given by Pam. And then I have, of course, this one is the first time I tried it. I had never used something like this on any of my electronics. I'm scared to use it on my laptop. I don't know, but I got this on Amazon. And then I have all my pens, markers, and all that stuff, highlighters, my camera holder. I have my 11 by 8 planner. I bought this one because one of my subscribers needed some big stickers, and I bought it for that purpose, and I remember that. And then I have my Epson printer. I do not use this for stickers, you guys. I use it for sublimation for my shirts, and this is something I have to go through and see what I want, what I don't want. As you can see, I have to pay my plates for my car, or that's actually for the van. And then right now I have planners and books all over the place that you guys can see. I have some here, I have some there. They're all over the place because I don't have that shelf up. And then those little things are gonna go up on the shelf as well. Here I have cash that was from these envelopes, if you guys remember. So I still have like that cash there, and it feels so nice now that I can have anything wherever I want. And here there's envelopes, you guys. I am thinking I'm making a sale of envelopes. I have a lot of envelopes that they have to go, so I can be able to make more. And then that's my other printer. This printer, I do use it for stickers. This printer is just for my shipping labels and my slips. And then right here, I got these on Michael's. I got them when they were on sale, I believe. I don't remember how much they were, so I'm not even gonna give you a price. But yeah, I got those two. And then this, I just got it on Home Depot or Lowe's, I don't remember. It was like $8, and that's what I've been using. And then of course I have my little cart that goes everywhere with me. Wherever I'm sitting at is where that is. So let me just bring this down. So when I'm packing an order, this is what I use. This is my do not band stickers, my thank you stickers. And then if I'm gonna put something on your order, like a little something that I want to send you, then I use these. And this is like my little junk area, if you can call it like that, because it's a little bit of everything. But here, like this one doesn't go here, this one goes here. Anyway, my headphones for whenever I'm editing and kids are sleeping, or I was sharing the office with my sister, and if she was doing something else, I would put these on as I was editing. And again, my shipping. Here is the vinyls that I've been using the most. You guys know that I am making t-shirts, so these are the ones that I've been using the most. And then here we go back to packing. So I have all, not all, but I do put a little bit of each size. So these are for my envelopes, these are for my stickers. So my son wants to help every now and then, so he did put the sticker onto some of them, so they're ready for me to go. And then I have the bigger ones here. And yeah, so that's what's in this cart. Okay, and that's it. Of course, my pens, like you guys can see, and my calculator, which is that I use on my videos. And that is it on this cart. And then that's my bucket. I just need to put the kids' underwear away, but they are sleeping, so I wasn't able to do that. And that's it, you guys. So that's pretty much it. My floor is finally free. Okay, I just have to find a place where I'm gonna hang my calendar, and I have to put that in place. I'm gonna use it, that's why I haven't put it away. And yeah, that is pretty much it, you guys. For some of you that want to know what this is, it's something I created on the training that I'm at. The training is in Spanish, of course, but it says Yo soy una mujer arriesgada, abundante y creativa. It was created in April 17, 2021, and then it's my signature there, proving that that's what I am. So hopefully I can translate it, because I'm not that good at it. So it is saying, I am a woman that takes risks, creative, and I don't know how to say the other word, abundant. I hope I said it right, but that is who I am. And I actually put it into a t-shirt that someday you guys will see me in. And yeah, so this is it, you guys. I really hope you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to click that subscribe button and let me know what kind of videos you want to see. All the videos that I've been uploading are your guys' ideas, because I want to upload what you want to see. So again, I'll see you guys on the next video.